How to see downloaded files in Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnell, and today I'll guide you on how you can see downloaded files in Telegram. Now basically, if you download a picture, you'll find it on your gallery. If you download a video, you'll find it on your gallery. If you download any files, you'll find it on your downloads on your device. Now here is how you can access them. Suppose you open up Telegram and you head into chat and you download a video, right? I'll just open up this video and I'll download it real quick. You can save it to gallery. Now it's asking me to wait for it to load up, so I'll just wait for it to load up, or you can just go ahead and you can save another picture. I'll just save this to gallery. Now you can see photos saved to gallery. Now essentially, if I just head into gallery, I should find the picture there. You can see it'll be there. Now where else can you find? All you have to do is you'll have to head into your phone files, right? Your files, open up my files. You want to head into internal storage and you can head into Android option, and here you can head into media option, and here you'll find the option that says org.telegram.messenger, and under it you'll find the files downloaded. So you'll find your images and videos right here. So this way you can see downloaded files in Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.